Hey beautiful, here's a video of how we made this natural mini twist with our natural human kinky bulk. So here is 100 gram that she's holding in this video, and they're just twisting it in tiny sections. So one thing you want to note is when you're twisting the hair, the part that includes your hair should be twisted firmly. However, when you've passed your hair, you want to make the twisting as soft as possible so the natural coil pattern of the extensions can come out. That's what gives it this very natural look. You don't want to make the twisting very tight from the top to bottom, because you would not get this natural looking twist. So this is just them showing you what the hair looks like dry, and in the next clip we'll be wetting the hair to show you what it looks like wet. Now look at how natural that hair is. Oh, so beautiful. So here is just the stylist wetting the hair, and look at the coil pattern is out. It's so, honestly, this hair is so gorgeous. It's so lightweight, it's so durable. You can reuse as many times as you want. Look at that bounce. This hair is gorgeous. You can dye the hair, you can wash the hair. It is such a beautiful extension. This is 200 grams, by the way, so comment below if you have any questions.